Here it comes.
Why did you pour the snow on me?
Catch us if you can.
Come back here.
Let's get inside before she sees us.
Okay, let's go. Careful on the steps.
I've got it.
Whoa!
Oh no!
Ah! What was that?
It's freezing it off!
Bad dog, come back!
He's getting away! Fresh oranges today? The best.
Why did you throw it down?
It was an accident.
You must pay for the oranges you damaged. Come back here.
Stop that roller now! This is unbelievable! You have damaged my bike! You must pay for it! Oh! No, no! I'm sorry! Left, but my bike!
Oh no, the van.
Get out of the way!
My caddy's getting away. You hit it. Come here, boy. Where are you going? Come back. Please don't leave me here. Please come back.
What is wrong? Allow me to work. I have to call my colleague to find out what the problem is. Okay! I'm sorry. We'll go apologize to your owner, I promise. I'm so sorry for what I did to you. Please forgive me.
I forgive you.
Thank you. I will deal with whoever did this!